Lecture, I'm going to discuss what how to install Oracle Database 21C Express Edition inside Oracle Linux operating system. So in Google search box right there, Oracle Express Edition. So let's go on this oracle.com site. Thereafter, new page that's open, click on this download Oracle. So this is available for Windows operating system, Oracle Linux 64-bit, 8 version, that's for this is for 7. So using here 8, so that clicking the second option. So if you're using 7 Oracle Linux 7, then you need to click on this. So here you can see RPM file is now or downloading this place. The size is 2.2 GB. So 2.2 GB is the file size. Okay. So file is now currently downloading. And that's download completed. So let's click on this open, and then after the next is right click there, then click on this open in terminal. So this is the terminal here. So first command we need to use this one, yum -y local install Oracle database XE. So XE star is there. So star, that means this will include everything. So let's copy and paste there. After that, press enter. So this place you can see. So you can see Oracle Linux 8 base OS latest, and this place some download process as well as installation process will continue on. Okay, so this will take some times. So this here you can see this is the status here, application stream. Place the installation part that has completed. You can see this is the status is there. So this has been completed. After that, we need to do the configuration. So for this one, we need to use this command. So here it is init Oracle XE21C configure. So let's copy and paste there, press enter. So this is asking what to give the password for says system DB admin accounts. So let's give here the password and confirm password. And after giving this all, let's press enter. So this is here configuring Oracle listener and configuring Oracle database XE. So here this all step is now continue on, and 7% that's completed. step that has been completed. This all done here. Now you can see global database name XE, SID is now XE, and if you want to get more details, you need to go there. After that, you can see or this place or here Oracle SID. SID is now XE, so that I've given XE is there. Now, for this place SQL plus and here says local host 1521 is the port number, and here you can see local host and local domain. So there we need to give XE and PTB1. PTB1 is there. And you can also do the login with this page. Okay, you can also go to the URL, then you can access your enterprise manager for Oracle Database XE. So after that, the next is here. Let's open the one new terminal. So new window that going to open. Now the next is here. So we need to use this command. So first is now export. So what going to export there? So let's paste here export Oracle SID XE. Then the next is Oracle env ask that should be no. So copying this and paste there. Now the next is home directory we need to get there. So for home directory, what we need to do? So go on this other location. My computer is there. Then OPT, you can see OPT directory. Open this OPT directory. Then Oracle. And after that, this here product. Open this 21 series there. Let's go on this 20. Then here. This is the home directory db home xe. This is the home directory is there. So simply you need to copy this location and paste there. So after cd command we need to use Oracle home bin. So bin, because if I go open this bin and here if you press S, then you can see here SQL plus file. So this SQL plus file inside there. Okay, so after that let's go back. So no need to change anything else. So this here bin directory. So after that the next is, so this part that has done, and thereafter let's copy this home directory, export home. So copying this one and paste there. Press enter. After that, let's go on this cd and paste there. So if you want, then you can see your present working directory. This is the present working directory. It's not working, so we need to give this one. So SQL plus here 1521. So this place, or we need to give for this one XE. So let's give here XE PTP1 as this. So let's copy this one and paste it there. So now here you can see this is SQL plus that's come there. This is asking about to give the correct password. So whatever the password you have given at the time of installation, the same thing you need to give. So let's give here the password. So now you can see Oracle Database 21C Express Edition that's connected. SQL that's come there. So after that you can write any kind of query this place. So let's write here select a start from tour. So that's come there. Okay. So this is how we can install Oracle. So this is how we can install Oracle Database 21C Express Edition inside Windows, inside Oracle Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.